Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one advice with you, because if you make that mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you have a problem, guys, okay, where you need to find the heater fuse, which fuses control the heater. You have, guys, multiple fuses, up to 5 fuses. Two of them are in one fuse box, 3 in another one. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do almost anything. How to fix engines, transmissions, electrical components, codes, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Why we guys do it? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And if you want, guys, please check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, for the heater fuses on that Dodge Charger, where you can expect to find them. Now, guys, most people that own that generation Dodge Charger do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. We'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Dodge Charger. First, go ahead and open the hood. And once you guys open the hood, when you face the engine on the left side here, that's the passenger side. Press these 2 tabs, open the cover, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all you had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here, guys, specifically we need to check, okay, 2 fuses. Let's zoom in a little bit. Starting this way, guys, okay, we're going to have that way fuse number 9, 10, 11, 12. Fuse number 12 is one of them. Then you need to check 39, that fuse here. After that, open, guys, the trunk, and in the trunk you need to lift the carpet liner. Lift it. On the bottom you have the spare tire, car battery. Next to it you have a fuse box. On the back side, next to the negative terminal. That's a closer look. You see, that's the fuse box, battery here, the spare tire. Press that tab here, open the cover, and you have another fuse box. Here specifically we need to, guys, check fuse number 15 right here. And if you come in that row of fuses, the first one is 31, and after that black fuse you have fuse number 32, that blue 15M fuse that's barely visible. Check that one, and check fuse number 53, that 10M fuse. All these fuses, guys, will need to be checked for the heater and the climate control on that charger. So this, guys, Dodge Charger has all kinds of different fuses and relays, different sizes, and those, guys, okay, could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't get one, we were stuck because we had to wait a few days to get a shipment. So we recommend to buy some spare fuses, relays. Put, guys, some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.